In this video, we are going to draw a cake celebrating the new year of 2022. Last year was great, but the new year will be even better. It gives us another reason to celebrate, and there's no celebration without a yummy cake, especially if you're a dessert person like me. I found this cute cake illustration online and thought it would be fun to draw it together. Although it looks complicated or difficult, it's actually not that difficult. And I'm also going to simplify the design a little so it's simpler, cuter, and easier to draw for you guys. So please don't be afraid, just follow my step-by-step instruction and you will end up with this cute, amazing, yummy cake. Now, without further ado, let's get started. I'm starting with a big wide rectangle at the bottom of the bottom layer of the cake, and then a very long, shallow rectangle underneath it as a cake stand. Then smaller rectangle at the top for the top layer of the cake, and I'm writing 2022 right above it. The photo looks more like a cake toppers, but I'm going to turn it into candles by adding flames at the top. It will make your drawing more interesting, romantic, and festive. Although the numbers have some volume, I will just draw with a single line for now and add the volume later. Now, it's time to draw small decorations on the cake. Overall, it has too many small details, so it looks a little bit busy. I think the main point here is the year 2022 candles. So I'm going to eliminate some cherries to make it less busy, but it's still going to be cute, so don't worry. Now, the basic shape is almost done, so I'm going to start adding the volume to each element. So I'm starting with the candy cane first and then moving on to the orange slices. After drawing the smaller circle within the big circle to show the skin, I divide the center part like the pizza slices. Oops, I think the left side looks a little squished, so let me fix that real quick. There are more details to draw with the pencil, but let me erase the practice lines to look less confusing. Now it's time to draw the yummy, droopy frosting on top, which is also my favorite part. For this part, you don't really have to follow exactly my drawing or the reference photo because there's no right or wrong answer. So just go with the flow, let your hand guide you. Now I'm finally adding the volume to the candles. While I'm doing that, I'm also scooting them to the left a little because it looks a little crowded on the right side. The pencil sketches are almost done, so I'm erasing the practice lines. Now I'm dividing the cake for the color block. It has 5 layers on each cake level, so I'm drawing 4 lines on each level. Now all pencil sketches are finally done, so I'm moving on to the permanent marker. I'm drawing everything with the marker except for the small details like candle flames and inside orange slices. For those small details, I will do it with a pen. Now the permanent outlines are all done, so I'm erasing all the pencil sketches before moving on to coloring. For the candles, I'm using a bright red. I will not add all these different shades like the reference photo, but I will keep those white highlights on the top left and bottom right. So I'm drawing the circles first to color everything except for those circles. I'm using a light pink to color the strawberry cake layers. I'm simplifying the orange slices too. I'm coloring everything with orange except for the peel. The peel is going to stay white. The leaf has two different greens. I'm using a light green first to color the first half and then a dark green for the rest. I'm coloring the whole thing with a bright yellow first and then coloring the center part with orange for the flames. I'm using dark brown to color the chocolate layer part. The tip is too small, so I'm switching it to the chisel side to color it faster or more efficiently. Here is the tip. It's hard to keep the border clean when you're coloring, but if you draw the outline first, then fill in the color within the outline, it's going to be so much cleaner and faster. All the coloring is done, so I will add shadows to finish the drawing. I'm using a medium gray to add the shadows. Pretend that the light is coming from the top left, so I'm drawing the shadows on the bottom right. Now your cake drawing looks three-dimensional, simple, yummy, and cute. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And please comment down below if you like me to draw or make any other cute things. I will love to hear from you and get connected. Thank you again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!